The messiest I've ever done. Jeez, man. Super yucky. It's like the yuckiest thing I've ever done. All in the name of growing a hair. Hi, welcome once again to Trans Styles and Beauty channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the egg marks for my egg marks challenge for the month of July and my results. Do stay tuned for that. You want to start by breaking your 2 eggs into a bowl and whisking it to a smooth texture. Then you add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil and your coconut oil as well. The things used in this video will be written in the description box below. So that's it. You mix it till everything is smooth and eggy. So next, you section off your hair into 4 or 6 sections depending on how thick your hair is. Then gently apply the mixture to your hair. It's a messy affair, so be really careful. You can do it over the kitchen sink to reduce the cleanup you have to do after you apply this on your hair. I decided to use my hand. You can use a brush, an applicator brush, if it's more comfortable for you, but it was best for me to use my hand. And then when you're done, just wrap the section away by either plaiting it or twisting it. Shedding. The messiest I've ever done.
So when you are done applying it to all sections, make sure you clean up well. Otherwise a lot of ants might come and attack you in the night. Just kidding. So remove the clips and use a nylon bag or plastic bag to wrap up the hair for extra security so that it doesn't drip overnight on your pillow. Tie a scarf firmly around your edges and use a satin bonnet and a beret as well, and go to sleep overnight. First thing in the morning, go and wash your hair with a shampoo. So this is the result after I woke up, and see how it is. Everywhere is dry, and this is the result after washing it. And this is my length check, and you can see that I added few inches.
The almighty egg marks grow my hair. No, I don't think it did, especially overnight, though I saw 1 inch of growth, but I don't attribute it to egg marks because the time I didn't measure my hair before it because I forgot, and my hair has grown since last time I measured. That was the ending of June till right now. And I can say, like, the thing kind of made my hair, I think it made my hair stronger. So how did it fare for me? I would say that immediately I washed my hair, I started rinsing off the egg marks. My hair felt stiff, but afterwards, after my whole wash day routine, the thing became kind of soft a bit. So I'm not sure whether it's the oil or the egg marks, and my hair was shiny. I'm sure from all that oil. So I'll use it either before my relaxer day or after, to kind of strengthen my hair from that the relaxer process. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you have learned how to do the egg marks. Yeah. But let me know in the comment section if you have done it, your experience, and if you are going to do it again. And if you are going to try, do let me know down in the comment section. So see you in our next video. Have a blessed day. God bless you and goodbye.